Hi guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today is a quick video to show you how to use your coming home headlights on your MG4 electric vehicle. Alright, first step, we want to make sure we have set it up. So swipe the screen, go to the vehicle setting or go to vehicle directly. Under the vehicle, we want to find lighting. So under the lighting, we have follow me home. So you can enable it or disable it whenever you like. So make sure this is enabled before you can use the feature. Next, if you wish to use the coming home function, you have to make sure headlights was switched on or automatic. And when it's dark enough or when under the ceiling, the headlights automatically switch on. So that means we can use this function. So we need to go to the vehicle and go to safety to power it off. So click power off. There we go. You can see the headlights now are off on this vehicle. Let's say you're in the dark, you're coming home, you don't see your driveway, you don't see your garage, whatever, you want to see the surrounding area. All you need to do is just pull the lever towards the steering to a flashlight just once. Bring that. You can see the headlights are now on. Let's get outside the vehicle. Once we're outside, you can see the headlights still on, but the vehicle is actually off. And I can lock the car still, just like that. The headlights and the tail lights are still on. And it's gonna be switched on for about 30 seconds. So that means we can see the surrounding area if we're in a dark area or whatever. And then it will automatically switch off the headlights after around 30 seconds again. Just like that. That's how that works. Unfortunately, this particular function is not perfect at this stage because you have to go to the steps to go to safety, go to power it off before you can use this particular function. If you just simply get outside the door and lock the car, and then this function cannot be used. So there's the only way I can work it out is to go to vehicle, safety, power off, then bring the lever towards the steering so you can do a flashlight before you can utilize this particular function. Unless MG decides to fix it in the future or anything like that, we'll see. At this stage, this is how to use the function. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support this channel. I'll see you next video.